Most mid-century modern homes have them. Screen blocks with intricate patterns. In this video, I will show you how to make your own mid-century screen block pattern brush in Procreate. Hi, my name is Jutta. On my channel, I'll show you everything you need to know to improve your digital artwork and create your own tools. Welcome to my studio. Alright, we start with a square canvas of 2000 by 2000 pixels. To create a repeat pattern, we only need the design of one block. The rest will happen in the brush studio. Bless it! We can also take advantage of the drawing guide, so let's enable that under the wrench tool, Canvas, Drawing Guide, and then Edit Drawing Guide. Here we switch over to Symmetry, and within Options we'll pick Radial. Tap Done. The next important step is to pick a pure black value. Open the Color panel by tapping the color circle in the top right corner. Switch over to Value and make sure you slide all the RGB sliders to the very left or type in 0 in the boxes. If we don't pick a pure black value, our brush won't be fully opaque. Next, we need a brush. I will pick my Nice Liner Mono Thick, which is a similar one to the built-in monoline brush, but it can draw thicker strokes. Any brush with crisp edges will do. We will create this pattern that has a border and a curved diamond shape in the center. If you don't have Drawing Assist enabled right now, you can do that in the Layers panel. Tap the layer and tap Drawing Assist. You see now the word Assisted below the layer's name. I want my border to be slightly thicker towards the corner, and that's why I like a curve. You could absolutely try out a straight line as well. Clean up the lines if necessary. Add a new layer. Drawing on a separate layer makes it easier to adjust our shape in case we're not happy with the outcome. On our new layer, we will draw a circle which has the same size as our square canvas. I turn down the opacity of the layer below to better see the border of my circle. Drawing with thicker strokes will create a more solid wall, and you guess it, thinner strokes a more see-through one. Play around and choose what you like best. We only need a quarter of our circle, so let's shift it over to the top left corner, but make sure snapping is enabled. Let's duplicate this layer and flip it horizontally, then move it to the top right corner. We can merge these two layers by pinching them together. Duplicate this layer once more and flip vertical. Move it to the bottom. Turn the opacity of our first layer up again. Our shape is done. Now we need an image of our canvas to create our brush. Swipe with 3 fingers down to open the Copy and Paste menu. I put this function as a double tap on my Apple Pen. That's why I do this motion. Now choose Copy All. Let's make our brush now. Open the brush library, pick the brush set where you want to add your screen block brush, and tap the plus to open the brush studio. Move down to Grain and tap the Edit next to the grain source. In the grain editor, tap Import and then Paste. Tap with 2 fingers to invert the colors. Then tap Done. We can see the pattern appear already in our drawing pad. However, we need a few more adjustments. You can play around with scale, but most importantly is to move the slider for zoom to the left until it says Follow Size. This will help you to adjust the block size with the brush size slider. And we're almost done. Move down to Apple Pencil and turn the opacity slider to none to avoid this fade in and fade out feature. Further below in Properties, you can bump up the maximum size a bit. Move down to about this brush, name it, sign it, and most importantly, give it a photo. Tap Done, and here we have our brush. Let's try it out. Awesome! Let's see how the size adjustment works. Great! Let's try it out in an illustration of a house. Done! And that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your results on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post so that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, like this one and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!